Duffel bag, backseat.
This trick is for screeching toddlers and what you can do to help them manage voice volume and understand screeching and where it's supposed to happen and where it's expected to happen. So if you have a screeching child and they are just excessively loud, which is not uncommon, what you want to do is teach the concept of an indoor voice and an outdoor voice. So when they start screeching, just playfully direct them to screech outside. So you bring them outside and tell them that's where it is acceptable for them to be making those louder sounds. So you can certainly teach them the indoor voice and the outdoor voice concept, and then when you go back in the house, you model and show them an indoor voice volume and use those terms. Use your indoor voice when you're indoors, your outdoor voice when you are outdoors. So a real common strategy, real common trick. So you can start using that terminology and start helping them understand the places and the spaces where screeching is expected. So you can give this one a try and see if it works. Click through the playlist. There are lots of strategies for screeching. So you might want to try to implement this one as well.
You're a drive real slow.